Hello, Nuna. Welcome to the AFCON 2021. We're carrying down with the Republicans. My name is Jovita Eke, and the country where they shook I put for today, where they in focus now Senegal. Their nickname are the Teranga Lions of Senegal. Their FIFA ranking are 29 and before inside world. And the last appearance where they don't make now 2019 when them the runners up to Algeria. The appearance where they don't make totally for inside the AFCON now 16 AB. And of course the AFCON title say they don't win. They never win anything, but then the runners up for 2002 and 2019. And their star player, that the man where they call Sadio Mane, where they play for Liverpool. The first game where they go play for inside the AFCON for inside Cameroon 2021. Now the team where they call Zimbabwe. That's not the country where they in focus today.